Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an eco-friendly gardening hack that not only saves you money but also helps your plants thrive. Making organic mulch from dried papaya leaves. Organic mulching is a fantastic way to control aeration, retain moisture, manage soil temperature, and even ward off pests. While commercial mulch options are available, making your own from fallen leaves is a sustainable choice that's easy on your wallet. And what's better than creating your own from natural, readily available materials? First things first, collection. Papaya leaves, in particular, are large and have potential insect repellent properties, making them a great choice. Papaya trees shed their leaves throughout the year, so keep an eye out for those yellowing leaves that are ready to fall. Once you have a good amount, you can start the process. Remember, if you notice leaves dropping too quickly, check if your papaya tree needs any extra care. Once collected, it's time to dry these leaves to prepare them for shredding and enhance their mulching properties. The first step is to carefully place the leaves in a dry location with good airflow. This crucial drying process can take several months, as it allows the leaves to gradually lose moisture and become brittle. This transformation makes the leaves easier to shred later on, ensuring a more efficient mulching process. Papaya leaves can grow large, up to 90 centimeters long. Shredding is essential for easier decomposition and application. If the leaves are dry and brittle, you can crumble them by hand. For larger batches, lay them out in a shallow pile and use a lawnmower, wood chipper, or garden shears. Aim for small, uniform pieces, as these will break down more evenly in your garden. Using dried papaya leaves as mulch offers numerous benefits for gardeners and farmers alike. By covering the soil with a layer of papaya leaves, erosion is significantly reduced, as the leaves act as a protective barrier against the impact of rain and wind. This not only helps to retain soil integrity but also conserves water by preventing runoff. In addition, papaya leaves as mulch help to moderate soil temperatures, providing a more stable environment for plant roots to thrive. By keeping the soil cool in hot weather and warm in cooler temperatures, plants are better able to absorb nutrients and water, leading to healthier and more robust growth. Furthermore, the use of dried papaya leaves as mulch serves as a natural weed deterrent. The dense layer of leaves blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, preventing them from sprouting and competing with desired plants for resources. This eliminates the need for chemical herbicides, promoting a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening approach. As papaya leaves break down over time, they also serve to replenish nutrients in the soil. As they decompose, the leaves release valuable minerals and organic matter back into the earth, enriching the soil and supporting the overall health of plants. This ultimately leads to improved soil fertility and increased crop yields, making dried papaya leaves an excellent choice for enhancing the health and productivity of gardens and farmlands. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Remember, a little care for our environment goes a long way for our plants. Happy gardening!